What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you step by step on how to draw joy from inside out too. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center of our page and draw two large ovals for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left, so start from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom of the oval, and then pull that back up towards the top. Now I want to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same sized oval on the right. So I'm going to start by lining up the top over on the right, bring that down towards the same height, round this out, and then go back up. Now I want to pull the iris and pupil towards the inside. So up against the edge of the eye, I'm going to draw a circle. Going around, come down, and then back in. Now let's line that up on the right side. Draw that same size circle. Now I draw a smaller circle in the center of the iris. And we'll put a highlight circle on the top right side. A small circle going around. And it will fill the center of the pupil in black, going around that highlight. Now with the eyes in place, we're going to move to the center and draw the nose. Let's start with the bottom edge over on the left side. We're going to curve this down and then up. Now I want to move up and draw a short curve going up and down across the bridge of the nose. Let's move down and draw in a large smile, starting all the way over on the left side. Curve this down, across, and then up. Let's go back over towards the left side. We're going to step in, draw the bottom of the mouth, coming down, and then back up. Let's add the top row of teeth, coming down the middle, and then up. And I want to fill the bottom of the mouth in black. Now from here we're going to move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside left eye, let's step out, curve this around, come down underneath the mouth, go across and then back up on the right. Let's go back to the side. Go straight up and then bend that in. And draw the hair coming across the forehead. Let's start with a small point, going across and then down. And we'll just taper that back up. Let's add a longer one coming down the center. Go across and then up. Let's add one more point. We're going to step down, go across the top of the right eye, taper that up, step down, just close off the side of the head. Let's add the eyebrow on top of the left eye. We'll start with a curve, going up and then down. Go back to the outside, just add some thickness, going up and then down. Now from this point, we're going to add those spikes across the top of the head. Start by going out toward the left, up and then across. And we'll just taper that down. Let's add another point going out in the opposite direction, going up and out, come in and down. Let's add another spike, come all the way across and then down. Now add one more going out towards the right, and then down on top of the head. Now from here we're going to work our way across the right side of the head, going out. I want to add a point along the side, right about here. And then back up and in, come all the way around the side of the head, come down right about there, and just tuck this up towards the side. Let's layer the left side of the hair in behind. We're going to start up here, add a point going out, come back in, let's add a point coming across and then down, and then back up. And I want to do the same thing we did on the right, coming around and then in. Extend that further and go back up in behind the head. Now we're going to move underneath the chin in the center, draw a half circle for the collar, coming down and then up. Let's move out to the side, draw the side of the body, bend this out and then down toward the hip, go to the right and do the same thing. I want to close off the bottom with a curve. Now from the hips, we're going to bend the dress, going out and then down towards the bottom. And we're going to add some wrinkles across the bottom, starting back over on the left, coming down and up. I'm just going to draw a wave going all the way across. Now we're going to leave a gap in the center, go over towards the left side, we're going to bend the leg, going out and then down towards the left heel, go to the right, go out and then down towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet, coming down and up. Now we're going to go back to the left side, we're going to round out the foot, go around, up, and then down. And we'll go back up to the top, draw a straight angle line, coming down and out on top of the feet. Now let's go back up to the top and draw the outside of the arms. We're going to start from the top of the body, bend the arm going out, and then down towards the elbows. From the elbow, bend the arm coming down and in towards the palm. Now from the wrist, we're going to draw the palm coming down and then in towards the side of the body. And we'll wrap the first finger around. So going out, come around, and then up in towards the side. Now we're going to go back up to the hips. We're going to draw the top of the forearm, and then it's out and then up. Close off the inside of the arm by stepping down, and it's up and in. And now I want to add some simple patterns across the dress. Starting over on the left side, we're just going to draw these straight lines, just going out from an inside circle. Let's go up to the top right and do the same thing. Just work our way around. And we'll add a few more across the bottom of the dress. Now let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw joy from the inside out too. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.